In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert pictures, image to text. That is how you can convert images into a written text, and you can make them as a document. Without much ado, let's get started. Consider to subscribe to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, like and comment. Without much ado, let's get started. Let me show you the name of the website. The name of the website is image2text.info. So this is it on Google. So once you type that on Google, you see that very first page, image to text. So once you click on it, can you see? You'll see image to text converter, and you will see something like this. So there are two ways. It is either you upload the image or you upload it from the URL. I'm going to show you how you can do the two. So I'm going to look for the image here, and then I'm going to drop it. So for example, that is the image I want to use, and then I drop it, and then you have to click on I'm not a robot. You have to check it, and then you click on convert. You just click on that, and then it's going to start uploading. And once you do that, you will see that the image will be changed into a text. So I'm giving it time. Can you see? So you can easily copy it, or you download this as a document. I'm still going to do another one for you to really understand what I'm trying to say. You see, I can copy. Then I want to try another image for you to understand this thing very well. So let me look for one image. All right, I am still looking for images that I want to use, so in order for you to really understand what I am talking about. So I want to use this. It's like a quote, and then I'm going to hit on I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to click on that one. So once I click on it, it's going to begin the upload, and as it's begin the upload, you will see it has changed it. You see, I just have to copy it, and then I use it in wherever I want to use it. So the third one, we want to talk about entering the URL, okay? And then once we enter the URL, you just look for a particular text URL. So let me just search for a particular text here, okay? So you see, that is a picture I want to click. So I hit on the picture, and then what you just have to do is to copy the address. Now this is how to copy the URL. Right click, and then you click on copy image address, and then you come to this place, and then you hit on paste. Once you hit on paste, and then automatically is going to search for the image. Can you see how powerful it is? Click on I'm not a robot, and you hit on submit. Everything will be converted into a text. So it's uploading. Remember, if you love this video, please consider to subscribe, and then you see just copy it out, and then you're good to go. So let's see if we can try another run, probably the last run. Let me look for another image. Let me view all, and then let me look for one simple image, and then for you to really understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna use this. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on copy image address. So after clicking on copy image address, I will come to enter a URL, and I will paste it. Automatically it's going to search for the image and display it there. And after it displays, I'm going to hit on not a robot, and then you hit on submit. I also click on submit. All the text will be shown, you see, and then you can easily copy to clipboard. You see, copy it, or you save it as document. If you click on save as document, it has already downloaded as save as document. So that is how to convert any images or JPEG into a text. Remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.